There we are. It's recording. Can you believe it? They finally arrived. So, what's happening is the Praxium Academy has ordered 2 new lightsabers from the Sons of Obi-Wan Academy. They are brand new and they've just arrived. So here is an unboxing that's going to happen with, oops, sorry about that, my first attempt. So bear with me guys, see what's going to happen. Alright, there we are. This is amazing. Right here, and I'm going to look at this. These are the Hurricanes. Oh dear. Here is, oh, should have got a pair of scissors. Keep it going, 1 second. All right. These Praxium Academy will start to be doing more theatrical combats, teaching and other things as well. So it's going to be heaps of fun. I'm really excited. All right. Here we have 2 blades. That's amazing. Listen to the sound. Pretty hard. Wow. All right. There we go. And we have 1 sticker. Sons of Obi-Wan Saber Academy. Awesome place to go and learn. Yeah, awesome place. It comes with, let's put it there. We've got a charger to charge. Oop, Allen key, that's always good. Saberdyne Industries. Wow. Alright, so I am assuming that this will have to be charged. So if that's the case, I'll just continue. I'll just record it after, once I've actually charged them up. I think that's a great idea. Alright, let's have a look at these bad boys. Holy snap. Rid of that box. Pair of scissors. I need new scissors. Maybe just start up a lightsaber and cut the plastic off with one of those. Oh yeah, that one is the coupling. This, look at that, is the coupling. Sweet! Come on, Darth Vader. Far out. You wouldn't believe how long they are. They're massive. Straight. Now I just got a straightforward. That's amazing. Oh, oh my gosh. Alright, I'm going to pull the curtain. They're ready to go. Hang on 1 second. And I'll turn the light off too. There we go. Hey! Alright, now you've got this little Allen key here. I know you probably won't be able to see it, but I will put that in there, tighten it. Okay, and have a nice clear white lightsaber. One. Now this one, can't believe how long the hilts are. Natural. Oop. This one looks like it's missing something. Missing the bolts. That's okay, easy fixed. That's there. Alright, now this one, you get the bolts, but this is purple. That is sweet. Sweet as. Yep. 2 lightsabers. Oh, I'm so stoked. The hilts are pretty long too. But it's good. Very good. Very, very, very good. I'm really stoked. Now, this bad boy is a coupler. Hang on a second. What am I doing wrong? Oh, yeah. Now take this one off and then put that one in. Alright. Now you take this one off. I won't be able to spin it around too fast, but I've got myself a nice, sure it's not cross-threading it. There we are. Yep. Perfect. Darth Maul sabers. Wow, sweet! It's awesome. I'm going to add some leather of my own choice on this. It's going to be awesome. Wow. All right. 2 sabers.